Ready to ditch manual coding and bring your stunning Figma designs to life as fully functional websites. Let's dive into the magic of the Figma to Webflow plugin. First things first, open up your Figma project that you want to convert. Make sure your design is well organized with clear layers and groups. This will make the export process much smoother. Now head up to the Figma menu, hover over Plugins, and select Find More Plugins in the search bar. Type Figma to Webflow. Once you find it, click on the plugin and hit that install button. It's that simple to get this powerful tool at your fingertips. With the plugin installed, go back to your design, select the frame or element you want to export, then right-click on it, navigate to Copy and Paste As, and you'll see the Copy CSS and Copy HTML options for the Figma to Webflow plugin. Now switch over to your Webflow account and open a new or existing project where you want to import your design. In Webflow, you'll find an import option, usually in the top bar or within the project settings. Click on that to initiate the import process. Here's where the magic happens. The Figma to Webflow plugin will prompt you to paste your copied CSS and HTML. Go back to Figma, and for your chosen frame, copy both the CSS and the HTML. Paste both of those into the designated fields in the Webflow import panel. The plugin intelligently translates your Figma design elements into Webflow components, including styling and structure. And just like that, your Figma design is now an editable, responsive website in Webflow. You can see all your elements are here, preserving the layout and styling. From here, you can dive into Webflow's intuitive editor, tweak styles, adjust spacing, add interactions, and make any further customizations to perfect your website. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, simply hit the Publish button, and your fully functional, responsive website is live. The Figma to Webflow plugin truly streamlines the designated workflow, saving you time and effort. So there you have it, a seamless bridge between your creative vision in Figma and a stunning live website with Webflow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more web design tips.